What's up, boys? Okay, guys, now I'm gonna start by putting this stuff all to the side and wait. I'm cleaning this bit like that. Okay. Just don't want to get any dust in there. Just easy. Okay, now I'm gonna start to put this together. Oh, I've cleaned this in the previous videos. You can see I've cleaned the engine. Nice and clean. Whoa, my hands are filthy. Boy. Okay. So the first things first. I'm gonna put our gasket. Nice gasket. I'm just gonna go around. Can you see? Yeah. Okay. Put this. What? Who now? Okay. Not like it yet. Put this. Just like. No, wait. Maybe, just maybe, I can do this. I have a tripod, so use the thing. I'm gonna screw this up. Yeah. Screw this tight. Yeah. It looks like as you can see, it's a piston motor. You can see it, piston? Yeah. It looks like an electric motor. Anyway, so gonna put this. Gonna make sure which way around. And there's where the push rod's going through. So I'm gonna put this right just like this. Nice. I'm just gonna put this part in there. Now, whoa, wait for it. Not now. Engine bolts. Okay, there's our rockers. Don't know if you can see it. Oh, there's rockers. Rockers, whatever. So here's the really, what's the thing's name? Think. The whatevers. No, I'm joking. The push rods. Put it into the way back. Where's this thing? Let's see. Ah, pretty. Okay. Now then that's done. Now for the valve springs. Oh no! Really? Dummy. The valves. So this one. Oh, a little bit. Lubrication. Oh my. DIY. Okay, and that all. And now on valve a little bit. Now we're gonna put the valve in a little bit. Play with it. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, dum, 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 dum. Okay, it's done. Now the exhaust valve. A little bit lubrication. Yeah, boys. That's how it's done. Now do it more. Just play with it. Dun 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 dun. So that's how it's gonna work. Just play with it. Let's go freely. Okay, cool. It's nice. Turn this right and turn this over. Make sure the valve doesn't fall out. Put it in. Okay, just clean this. Okay. This part just goes in there. Where's the valve? Oh no. Yes. You just put the piston over. Yeah. Okay. Dummy. That's me. Is dumb. That's about how it gets. Okay. So don't know why I want to put it on the engine. I'm guessing I was just eager to get it on, but just put this in. Huh? I'm getting the hang of it. And the exhaust valve, put it in. Yeah. And its little cap. Let's see. And then in the holes. Now for finally the last time. Hopefully. Okay, the gasket is right. That's right. Now this. What is it with me? Luckily I have this thing of the carburetor. No. Whoops. Okay. And this one. Now for the washers. One down, one to go. Yes. Not falling. And now for the rockers. Go in. Okay. Just do the first. And second don't want to go. First. And second. Oh, come on. Okay. So it's just the washers. And then the nuts. Nice. So this one's going a little bit not so smooth as I wanted to. Let's just lubricate this little thing here until the engine just for lubrication. And yeah, okay. And a little bit here on the rockers on the sides, into there. Can't do harm. Now I have to bolt everything inside. I didn't know I was supposed to do that, but I've done it. Okay. I'm just gonna tighten with the hands. Like this. Other way. Just tighten. Really. Okay. Okay. Now for this babies. Okay. Oops. Put that in. Like that. I don't know why I did it with the sockets. But okay, I did it. This one goes over there. Not they all are the same size, but I just want the clean bolts inside and the filthy ones outside. In the beginning, I look on the engine and I couldn't find the other bolts, and then I think maybe they were inside, just like car engines, in the tappet cover. So we'll cross, just like this, and don't ask me what I'm supposed to torque them. Take like this and torque as much as you can. that is the torque settings. So if you would have wondered, that's what it is. Okay. I tell you, I'm a genius. I'm figuring out the torque settings of an engine. Nice, man. Huh. I don't think I was so good. Never mind. Anyway. Now, if I could... Oh, never mind. Other way around. Tell you, I'm very, very clever. Of course, you can see I can't even fit the seal. Never mind. Don't want to blow my cover. Okay. Now there seems not to be a seal, so just gonna slip this on. What? Oh, yeah. This engine. Oh, wait! Exciting. Oh, just put this on. No, wait now. Okay, it's on. Now it's for